Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we will learn to fit the water meter. Additionally, we will explore the delivery of water to the overhead tank through a pump, pressure head, delivery pipe and suction pipe. By the end of this video, you will be able to tap formation of the CI water main line, fix a ferrule on the CI water communication pipe, fix the water meter, lay the consumer pipeline, prepare installation material for bed forming, commission the centrifugal pump and motor onto the bed, connect the suction line and delivery line, test the suction line and delivery line, assemble the submersible pump and motor, install the pump and motor in the well, prepare installation material for reciprocating the pump, commission the pump in the wall brackets or bed. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this. Steel tape, tap set, hacksaw frame with blade, pipe wrench, ratchet die set, screwdriver, ball peen hammer, cold chisel, spanner set, shovel, spade, crowbar, trowel, motor pan, spirit level, feeler gauge, tin bond, India Mark special toolkit, pipe vise, bore clamp, cutting pliers, Allen key, knife or wire cutter, water pump plier, plump bob, centrifugal pump, motor, foundation template, bolt and nuts, gland rope, reciprocating hand pump, reciprocating power operated pump, monoblock pump set, submersible pump, jet pump 1 horsepower, jet pump 150 to 1.5 horsepower, Teflon tape as required, insulation tape as required, NR valve as required, poly safety rope as required, cable tag as required, GI pipe as required, foot valve as required, non-return valve vertical type as required, non-return valve horizontal type as required, bend, flange, socket, elbow and union as required, gate valve as required, couplings as required, cement, sand, concrete as required, strainer, gasket washer as required, rigid couplings as required, lubricating oil as required, grease as required, flange washer as required, union as required, pipe nipple as required, ball valve as required, flow control valve as required, angle and angle bolt nuts as required, saddle piece as required, gun metal ferrule as required, water meter as required, elbow PVC as required, solvent cement as required, tea as required, blue metals as required, existing borewell, India Mark hand pump, rubber washer. Servicing and fixing the water meter. Arrange the proper tools and materials. Close the main line valve. Mark the position for drilling and tapping on the main line. Drill the main line with a ratchet brace. Cut the internal threads with a taper pipe tap. Connect the saddle piece on the main line. Fit a ferrule to form the necessary connection. Open the valve inside the ferrule and close the tap. Take the service pipe from the saddle piece. Fix a stopcock or gate valve on the inlet and outlet of the water meter location. Close the stopcock. Measure the length of the water meter and distance between the two unions. Tighten the union of the pipes. Place a soft leather or rubber washer on one side of the meter. Fix the water meter between two unions as per the direction to coincide with the arrow mark on the meter. Open the valve and check the pipelines. You must fix the gate valve before the water meter. Safety measurements to be followed. Be careful while drilling the main line. Fix the ferrule in the saddle. Fix a gooseneck if the line is crossing a road. Connect a stopcock before the water meter. Installation of a centrifugal pump. Make a foundation bed. Prepare the installation material for the bed. Make a cement mortar as per the ratio 1:2:4. Cement sand mortar ratio, where cement is to sand is to blue metal, is 1:2:4. Grounding the foundation bolt and nut with the help of templates. Fill the cement mortar in the grounded area and allow to cure. Remove the template and level the bed. Commission the pump and motor on the bed with the help of a spirit level and feeler gauge. Alignment of the pump pulley and motor pulley. Assemble the pump pulley and motor pulley properly. If not properly aligned, following defects may develop: love joint coupling assemble failure, gland rope and bush workout, and worn out pump bearing. Connect the suction line and delivery line. Measure the required length of the suction pipe. Select the required pipe fitting and valves gasket. Connect the foot valve gasket flange and bend to the pump. A foot valve helps to maintain the water level in a suction pipeline. Measure the required length of the delivery pipe. Select the required pipe fittings and valve gaskets. Connect the delivery line to the non-return valve NRV using an appropriate fitting. Most NRVs, especially those with spring-loaded discs, can be mounted in a horizontal position. This is generally preferred for ease of access and maintenance. Provide electrical connection. Priming the suction pipe. Priming is a crucial process in centrifugal pumps that ensures the pump and suction pump are filled with fuel before it is started. Switch on the pump and check the suction pump and delivery pipe. Safety measurements. Use proper hand tools. To avoid dry run, maintain the foot valve position at the bottom of the groundwater level. Do not over-tight the gland rope as it may burn. To avoid vibration on these systems, add lubricants to the bearings as and when required. Installation of a hand-operated pump. Mark the holes for fixing. Grounding the foundation bolt and nut with the help of templates. Fill the cement mortar in the grounded area and allow to cure. Remove the template and level the bed. Fix the suction pipe with the check valve. Provide the pump base with the weight washer or an air washer. Connect the cylinder on the base with bolts and nuts. Assemble the cup washer with a plunger rod. Fix the plunger rod with a hand lever. Connect the plunger rod assembly with a cylindrical head. Operate the hand lever in an up and down motion. Let us look at the installation of a submersible pump. Fix the adapter into the plump discharge end. Fix the required hose clamps over one end of the pipe and tighten. Apply heat to the polyethylene pipe to soften the pipe. Press the polyethylene pipe over the adapter. Tighten the clamp securely around the pipe over the adapter end. Lower the pump and pipe it into the well. A submersible wire cable must be secured to the discharge pipe 5 feet from the top of the pump using an electrical tap or snap wire ties. Repeat this procedure at 3-meter intervals along the discharge piping. Ensure that the pipe has reached the required depth. Send the pipe and cable through the opening in the well seal. The well seal must be vented. Continue the pipe connection to the tank location in the house. Use additional clamps if required. Fix the union gate valve and the non-return valve at the end of the delivery line at the nearby bore. In this video, we have discussed about tap formation on the CI water main line, fixing a ferrule on the CI water communication pipe, fixing the water meter, laying the consumer pipeline, preparing for installation material for bed forming, commissioning the centrifugal pump and motor onto the bed, connecting the suction line and delivery line, testing the suction line and delivery line, assembling the submersible pump and motor, installing the pump and motor in the well, preparing installation material for reciprocating the sump, commissioning the pump in the wall brackets or beds. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Thank you all and see you in the next video.